we're going to review tinted lip pep, yung mga colored shades ng lip glaze ng Sunny's Face. So here is all the shades. Tiramisu, Coquette, and Bon Bon sa ito yung swatches nila sa lip glaze na tinted nila. This is in the shade Tiramisu. Pagkalagay ko, lasang chocolate at dessert yung feeling talaga ka. So, Ferry Road and Summer Fridays at all. This is in the shade Coquette, lasang strawberry, and I super duper love this shade. This is in the shade Bon Bon. Lumalaban itong mga lip glaze ni Sunny's Face sa Road at sa Summer's Fridays. I love the formula and lasang dessert siya. Aftertaste na ano ko yung naramdaman ko. So, kung nanil nila ito as Road Peptide na clear na dupe, well, they got you with this tinted ones and you better got it.